Case Construction Equipment is rightfully considered the world leader in the production of premium construction equipment. More than 90 models in the company's line machinery, including crawler excavators, graders, telescopic and wheel loaders, crawler dozers, mini excavators and backhoe loaders. Case factories are located in the USA, Brazil, Italy, India, and Japan. Laser cutting. At one of its plants, Case uses lasers to cut parts from large sheets of steel. Production begins with precision laser cutting of the main components. These parts should have smooth edges, without burrs and pits. The Case laser cutting process uses a high cutting speed for long straight cuts and a slow cutting speed for short cuts and corners. The process of and laser cutting are starting from feeding steel sheet to the cutting machine. Is taken first the metal sheet from the automatized storehouse, and then just as laid the metal sheet to workplace. Then the laser cutting machine makes a cut with a programmed pattern. The operator follow up the machine, checking the cutting quality. Each laser cutting machine has its own thickness specialty. Bending. The Department of Bending and Stamping transform 3,000 tons of steel and stainless steel per year. All different steps here are complementary, taking the steel sheet from 1 to 12 millimeters thickness. Welding. Robot welding system at Case plant ensures the stable and well-bale quality of the product. Welding and machining are the first process in this assembly plant. In addition to skilled and experienced welders, the plant also employs robotic automatic welding machines. The machining process is conducted by machines specifically designed to carry out machining processes of big size components. To get component solidity required by standards, the Case plant also carries out induction quenching and tempering. The maximum production capacity in welding shop is 3,000 tons per week. Case Construction Equipment Company in India have the capacity to produce frames to complete units at the same factory that produces ready-made excavators. All of the frames for Case excavator products range from CX130D up to CX500D. Track frame, main frame and main frame for E-Series and D-Series are also produced in this plant. Machining. Machining of structures, parts and components are done wherever necessary to meet the fine tolerances required for a product of the caliber that Case makes. Next is the painting shop, where every centimeter of metal is painted in Case's signature color. The painting process consists of 3 stages: priming, painting and drying. On this step is to cover every centimeter of steel with the first layer of paint. This process is called electrodyeing. The paint particles receive a positive electrical charge, and the parts of the construction equipment machine receive a negative charge. Then special conveyors will take the parts of the Case construction equipment machine into the furnace. After 70 minutes of drying, the part is ready for final painting. The final dyeing takes place according to 2-stage technology. First, the paint is applied by special robots. The final touch is made by a person. Painters with airbrushes manually sketch all the observed defects. Then, again for several hours, the parts are fired in a furnace at a temperature of 82 degrees. This guarantees the durability of paint layers. All this takes place in a special hermetic painting chamber with an area of 30,000 square meters.